Hello, adorables. Welcome everyone to my channel. Tonight I think there's 8 diamond paintings here that I want to show you. A couple of them might be repeat. I haven't got them put away yet, so if they're still out, they will be in this set. So the first one, because we're going to do small to big. Okay, 25 by 25. Little kitty in a cupboard. He's got his little paws in here. And he's trying to sneak some cookies and some candy. It was nice and colorful. I liked it because this section went in good. And then it was sectioned nice with the colors. And plus being this small size, I really enjoyed working on it. Nice and quick. Okay, next one up. This one is Jasmine. It looks like Jasmine with the unicorn. And what bling did I put on her wrist? And on her finger, on her necklace, and her ear. So I just put a couple blingity bling blings, because why not? Maybe I should have put more on her wrist. I don't know. And here's the unicorn. Nice castle in the background. I didn't like working on it because it was such fine print. It was so small. Then I've got this one, which is a 30 by 30. Yeah. No, 20 by 30. What am I saying? Okay, 20 by 30. This is a set of 4, and I believe I have the other ones all finished. I think this was the last one, so they will go in the book, and I can move on. That was nice. Okay, so tonight I just finished up this one, because it was Halloween time, and it's a little bit more booby than I care for, but I liked everything else about it. And this is how the cat's eyes went down. But see this one? That one pink one? I think I want to take that out and put a darker one in. I am going to do that right now. So I'm going to put an O in because O's are the dark ones. And I am just now about ready to be dumping this out. There. It looks better darker because I put the shiny eyes in there. Yeah, so this was nice to work on. I liked how the colors were nice and sectioned. There was supposed to be a little tattoo of three colors on there. I was like, I don't think so. So I just worked over them. Okay. I might have shown you a whole lot of these. I don't know, but they're completed now anyway. Oh, there's one I didn't notice. I had that in a bunch. Okay, so, yeah, this is my vampire bride. I know I did a whip and chat with her. I don't think I showed you the completion. I'm trying to get it all in the frame. I think she turned out pretty good. I could make her eyes like all red with some blingity bling bling. I thought, no. No, I don't think so. Okay. Then I got my little girl and her cat. And she turned out pretty good. Like, this is kind of bright. You got to focus on her eyes. If you focus on her eyes and her face, the rest of it will just fall into place. This was ink that she had on her arm. Something showed up. Looks like witches' symbols or something. Like she's in Water World or something. Has a tattoo. Yeah, so she turned out, but she did. I don't know. Like I don't know. It just goes. There's so much dark and so much light, and this, But if I like how the eyes went. It does a good job. If you focus on her eyes, the shadow just falls into shadow. And you can see her. Okay. So that's from Temu. So this one here is from Outdoor Tide, and I loved it. I loved everything about this. The drills were awesome. These are really nice, sparkly, shiny. These are good quality from Outdoor Tide. And each little section was so nice. It was pleasant that you could see your color so clear and plain, and that there wasn't anything around it to be confusing. And this is one of my favorites to work on, like ever, of all time. So you can find that at Outdoor Tide. And then the last completion, I do believe I already showed you, made a video, was the fairy girl with the little eye in the bird that I put in there while I was on camera. I don't know, it might be a leaf, but I made it a bird, and he's like, look over there, look that way, and he's pointing. Huh. And this came from Newcraftday. So those are my completions for a while. Like, these have been building up here, but getting them punched out. And I don't know what I'm going to do now. I'm thinking I have a spooky one with a monster and a girl. I'll show you. It should be right on top here. But then I got Pineapple Kitty, and I got some nice stuff. Wait, here's Halloween. I'll pull the Halloween out. I could work on that house. Okay, let's see this. I could work on this house. That's from Temu. This is from Temu. He could be cool. You know, that could be nice and fun. Okay, that's not Halloween, but there they are. Let's see. Here it is. This is the one. This is the dark one right here. The spooky guy and a girl, and there's even a little bird thing down here. I could put one little red eyeball on each side. This will be all like orange. Yes, I will do that. And maybe just not give her eyes, and that's the good thing for her. I don't know. But is that really what I want to work on? I do want to do my purple house. But let's see what's going to be good about this. These are all Temu. Look how this is sectioned off. It's like perfect. Little sections of color blocking. I like that. It's charted really good. And it is so tempting. This is what I'm considering a good one. And I kind of want to save it. I've been saving it. It's like, let's just do it already. Because that's when I can't handle anything on my mind. When I can't turn it off and the wheels keep spinning. I don't want to think about what I'm doing. I just need to... really easy color blocking little sections just like that is perfect for me when I'm having a bad day. Okay, so yeah, that's all my completions. I'm thinking this one, but the lack of color, I don't know if I want to do that again so soon. We'll figure it out. There's the tail going. Oh, she my good girl. She my good girl, yeah. Charlie Beans, he's my good boy. He's sleeping over there. She wants to go outside and just run. And then she comes in the house and she wants to act the same way. And she wants me to get that green laser pointer with a grid of little tiny dots And she goes running through the yard. And it's okay. Like, once a day would be okay. But then she wants to stay out there. I'm calling her in. And she's like, come to the window, Mommy. Get the pointer, Mommy. And let me show you how I run. Like, it's her job. She wants it to be her job. She wants to do good. She wants to hear me laugh at her. Because I'm always laughing at her. And she likes it. And then she gets excited and wants to do even more. But, you know, I don't even have to use the laser pointer. I just open the window now, and she's taking off up the yard. It's like, oh my God. Look here. Don't pay no attention to the dust rag. Sit. Good girl. Give me a paw. Good girl. Oh, both of them. I get them both. Because she's a good girl. You had enough to eat today. Day's over. All right. Peace out, adorables. God bless.